Hello, hello, hello. I am going to be talking about this perium amino acid mild cleanser, and it is for clarify, control, and balance. I used it as a face wash. Let me see if I can get in here and show you the packaging. And yeah, it smells really nice. It has a very clean smell. I didn't notice any texture in this product. It did suds up nicely in my hand, but I didn't notice any kind of exfoliating qualities. But yeah, it smelled good. It made my face feel nice and clean. And yeah, I'll be continuing to use this. Got this as part of a giveaway prize from Jessie Miller's channel. I'll link her channel below as well. And I'll see if I can find this. If I can, I'll link it below also. If you've ever tried this, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't, let me know, what do you use to wash your face with? I normally just use bar soap, but yeah, this worked well for me. I didn't have any kind of issues with it or any negative reactions, and made my face feel clean. You can't go wrong with that, can you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.